Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use the Operations Details panel. This feature is particularly useful for surgeons who are preparing for an upcoming operation. The Operations Details panel allows you to add notes and requirements for the procedure, helping the theatre team make efficient preparations. In this video, we will start on the Operation Details screen. For more information on how to navigate to the Operations Details panel on the Operations screen, please refer to the How to Make a Theatre Booking user manual linked in this video's description. Furthermore, please note that fields that are marked with an asterisk must be filled in. First, click on the Procedure Description field to enter an explanation of the operation or procedure that will be performed. Next, click on the ICD10 field to enter the diagnosis code for the patient's condition. As you type, a list of available codes and diagnoses will appear, allowing you to select the most accurate option. Alternatively, if you need to search for a specific code, click the ellipsis button next to the ICD10 field to open the ICD10 Builder. For a full explanation of how to use the ICD10 Builder, please refer to the Procedure, Material Medicine, Macro ICD10, Search Code Lookup user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Procedures field to enter the procedure code or name. As you begin typing, a list of relevant codes and procedure names will appear, allowing you to select the correct one. If you need to add a CPT4 code for the operation, click the plus button to open the CPT4 Builder. For more information on how the CPT4 Builder works, please refer to the case screen, CPT4 Codes user manual linked in this video's description. Next, click on the Authorization field to enter the authorization number provided by the medical aid for payment. If the patient is liable for a co-payment, enter the co-payment amount in this field. To select an anesthetic type, click on the Anesthetic Type drop-down menu and select the desired option from the list. There are also text-based fields that allow the surgeon or team to make additional notes. For specified requests and additional requirements, populate the Request and Additional Requirements field. For any administrative notes, use the Admin Note field. Lastly, the Clinical Note section can be used to document any medical findings before and after the procedure. Once you are satisfied with the information you've entered, click Save to save all the changes you've made. For more information regarding all the other features on the operation screen, please refer to the How to Set Up an Operation user manual linked in this video's description.